Logging out of ChatGPT on one device is simple, but what about every device linked to your account? So, let's walk through how you can log out of ChatGPT across all your devices at the same time, and I will be demonstrating this on both computer and mobile app. When you are on your computer, head over to ChatGPT and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your profile, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go ahead and click on Security. Right here, you'll find two logout options: log out of this device and log out of all devices. For this tutorial, we will be going with the second option, log out of all devices. So, go ahead and click on Log Out All button. Done, the account is now signed out of every device. Now, switching over to the mobile app, when I try to tap anywhere inside ChatGPT, the app immediately prompts me to log in again, which confirms that the sign out is worked across every device. So that is how you can log out of ChatGPT on all your devices in just a few simple steps.